How do I adjust a Rainbird R-50 Turf Bird? Rainbird R-50 Turf Bird sprinkler rotors are preset at the factory to a 180-degree, or half-circle, radius. You may adjust them between 25 and 360 degrees. The left side of the sprinkler arc is in a fixed position based on its installation position. Adjusting an installed R-50 will change the arc from the right side of the sprinkler head. Basic adjustment. Turn the sprinkler on and allow it to operate while adjusting. Spread out the vandal collar on the riser shaft, and push it down toward the ground to unlock the sprinkler head. Turn the nozzle turret clockwise to increase the arc. Turn the nozzle turret counterclockwise to decrease the arc. Pull the vandal collar up to its original position. Full circle adjustment. Turn the sprinkler off. Unscrew the cap from the sprinkler to set a full circle arc. Spread the vandal collar, and push it down toward the base of the sprinkler. Push down the nozzle turret. Turn the nozzle turret clockwise while holding it down until it locks into place. Release the nozzle turret. Pull the vandal collar up to its original position. Screw the cap back onto the sprinkler base.